Dan from Danny Adventures, and today I'm with my cousins,
Alana
and
Rowan.
And today we're gonna make Pizookies.
Yay! What is it? Oh, no.
So let's see what our ingredients are. We have 2 rolls of cookie dough.
I'm not making it from scratch.
Because not. We have chocolate chips. We have strawberries. Did I put it upside down? And we have chocolate fudge shell. And we forgot an important part of our recipe.
Non-stick butter spray! Butter flavored. Whatever. Close enough. It's basically the same thing. It's not the same, Alana. Some cooking spray tastes like strawberries. And some taste like
Butter. It smells of butter.
I figured as much. Your thing popped out. Congratulations. Oh.
Now that we have our cookie dough, we are going to put the cookie dough in the pan so we can make the cookies. What are you doing, Alana?
I'm cutting it open.
That's great. What are you doing, Rowan?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Perfect. Before recording this, we preheated the oven to 350 degrees. So now we're going to put our Pizookies into the oven for 13 to 15 minutes. Oven.
Oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
A few minutes later.
Cool down time.
Wait, like, do you want it? No, do you? I want it. Wait, no, I don't. You don't want it. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Now that we have the ice cream on here, we're gonna add the toppings. I'm adding chocolate chips to mine. Now, I have strawberries, ice cream, and chocolate chips in it. I'm gonna add this magic shell chocolate fudge. Then we're gonna wait for that to harden.
Hardens actually really fast. Once exposed to oxygen, it quickly hardens. A little bit of a
Alana's still over there transferring hers to plates.
Taste test.
Already?
Yeah, yours should be hard by now. Yeah, it has. Oh, it's quite a bit.
Now we're gonna do a taste test.
What is your ranking, Danny?
10. Sure. Hi guys, welcome to the end. Sorry I haven't been posting recently, but I am back. So I already gave my review in the video, but I'll explain more in detail right now. So today we made Pizookies. They were delicious. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. If you want to make these, I highly recommend chocolate chips, whipped cream, and strawberries. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome Daily Adventures videos. See you in the next video. Bye! Hey, you still watching? Poked myself. Any Adventure fact number 2. My Squishmallows, Amora and Jadel were my first ever Squishmallows. Don't know what that has to do with Pizookies, but anyways, goodbye for real this time.
Look at this. Gasp.